This is Tyler Hubbs with A Flipping Good Life, and today I'm going to walk you through the $1 million flip we just bought in San Antonio, Texas. I've never seen the property, never been to San Antonio, never met the person who brought me the deal. Stay tuned to see everything that happens on this deal. Like and subscribe for part 2. All right, we're at the airport. We're going to check out 718 Ridgemont in San Antonio. We had to fly out to make sure that we know what the property looks like. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna lay out some walls. We're gonna do some work. Here we go. All right, we just landed in San Antonio. Catching an Uber right here. We're gonna take it over to the house, take a look at what we got. Here we go. Let's hit it. Yeehaw! That's it, on the left. Yep. It's pretty cool. I mean, the design, the crazy design back in the day. Is that porcelain? Yeah, that's insane. It takes a lot to match the heater, the sink, the tub. We're here in San Antonio at 718 Ridgemont. I'm gonna walk you through the renovations we're gonna do on this property. So right here, the main entry, we are going to vault this ceiling. We're gonna create a big structure here. We're gonna move the front door right here so that we have a nice grand entrance. We really want some curb appeal on this property. So we think that that cost to do that is gonna provide a big value for us. This will all be gone. This is gonna be your big entry door here so that when you walk in, you get a view of everything that we've done in this property. Coming here into the formal dining, this fireplace is gonna go away. It's kind of in the middle of everything, messing with our plans. Right here is where we're gonna have a big mirror or maybe a hidden bookcase or something. This is gonna go into the gun vault or, you know, storage room, if you will. This wall is gonna be gone. This kitchen needs some major work. So, like I said, we're gonna demo out almost all the walls in here, recess the beams. The kitchen is gonna extend out this way a couple more feet, and it's also gonna run all the way over here. We're gonna do 2 hidden doors. There's gonna be one hidden door from the kitchen into the pantry. There's gonna be another hidden door that brings you into the laundry room. 2 different accesses. We're gonna do a brand new slider here. We're gonna do another brand new slider here. We're in discussion of potentially taking this whole roof up to the top pitch of the roof so that we can gain some more real estate in this room, which I think will do a lot. These beams are gonna be recessed. This whole wall, we're gonna build out to the same plane so that you have your fireplace, you have a TV, you got a couple floating shelves over here. This is gonna be the focal point of the room from the kitchen. This is the guest bathroom. This thing's pretty cool. Take a look at these existing finishes. I don't even know where you find this stuff. Pink porcelain sink, pink porcelain bath tub, and a nice pink toilet. So in this room, we're gonna make the entry to the bathroom here. You're looking here, it's gonna be your double sink, double vanity, mirrors. On that side, you're gonna do shower, standalone tub with a full glass enclosure so that when you walk in, obviously toilet stays there, you have your nice vanities, standalone tub, the whole thing is gonna flow nicely. So in this area, we're gonna stage this as a game room, potentially a casita. I mean, it's got almost everything you need. Fireplace, we're gonna create cabinets and countertops over here, potentially like a bar. That is gonna stay a kitchenette so that if you wanted to turn it into a casita, you can. Door's gonna go away. We're framing this wall across here so you have a nice kitchenette, or game room, if you will, pool house. So out front here, we're going to demo this entire brick step. All the brick steps, we're gonna take them all out. We're gonna create the look of floating steps with LEDs underneath, so you get that really grand feature when you're walking up to the house. And then I want a big backlit 718, which is the address. If you like this video and you want to see how this project turns out, or you want to learn more about real estate investing or flipping houses, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and have a flipping good life.